Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Rise of Kingdoms for iPhone and Android. So what this will do is give you unlimited gems. So as you can see at the moment, I do not have unlimited gems, but I'm going to turn this on right here. So it just enabled unlimited gems, right? So now they should start increasing. So let's see if they go up. And currently there's no change, but maybe it will start increasing. So let's see if our Rise of Kingdoms game goes up or not. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in Rise of Kingdoms. Okay, so the first step is going to be going into the browser. And what we're going to do is open a new tab and just go to the website zoomods.com. Okay, so this is the website where we can download the Rise of Kingdoms mod. So go to the search bar, type in Rise of Kingdoms, and go ahead and press the little download button right there. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification you have to do. So this is the last step. Basically, it's just download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works for Rise of Kingdoms if you are a Rise of Kingdoms fan. So as you can see, guys, it's loading, and basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps. So like TikTok, you just press on it, it'll bring you to the app store, and then you just want to download it and do what it says. So that one said download and run for 30 seconds. Then there's like other ones, there's some games where you got to run it for longer. Like this one, you have to reach level 9 on the game, but that's not that hard. So just do a couple of these, you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out if you're broke on Rise of Kingdoms, because I'm broke and now I'm rich. So look at that, guys. Unlimited gems, super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you like Rise of Kingdoms.